E-commerce has revolutionized shopping, enabling convenience through online purchases, altering traditional retail dynamics. This digital transformation impacts industries beyond retail, from remote work tools to digital entertainment. This has altered consumer behavior, emphasizing virtual experiences and contactless transactions. E-commerce's universal influence highlights a new era where convenience, accessibility, and digital interaction defining how we engage, marking a permanent change in the way we live and interact with the world. Greetings and hearty welcome to Lifestyle E-commerce. I'm Kavita, your host for this captivating journey. Throughout this experience, we will connect with individuals from different sectors who have seamlessly adopted e-commerce, achieving success and making valuable contributions to our economic advancement. It's not possible to track how old the cleaning industry is. People and businesses have hired people to clean for them for probably thousands of years. And ever since commercial cleaning became a thing, a thriving cleaning venture demands dedication, customer trust, and efficient operations for success. Join us to explore the cleaning industry with today's expert who excels with close to a decade managing the cleaning industry. Join me in welcoming of today's industry expert. Hello, Mr. Palani.
Hi, hello.
I'm Kavita from Lifestyle E-commerce.
Hi, Kavita. Have a seat.
Thank you so much. Okay, Mr. Palani, before we start our segment today, please tell us about yourself and your experience in this industry.
Okay, my name is Palani. I've been in the cleaning services since 2014. So it's almost been a decade since I'm in this industry. I've seen both commercial and also residential type of cleaning in this industry. But there's a lot more to learn, and every day is a learning day.
Very nice, Mr. Palani. So let's start our segment.
Yes.
My first question to you is, in the cleaning industry, how do you keep up with the emerging trends and what are the current trends?
Okay, currently, the emerging trends, or we'll say the current trends, are relating towards green tech cleaning. So it goes into eco-based, eco-friendly, eco-biodegradable products, and so on and so forth. The second part of the trend that we see in the industry is more towards digitalization. People are going more towards digitalization, then they're preferring that kind of a service rendered to them.
All right, so moving on to my second question to you. Ensuring longevity for walls, tiles, and floors demands effective cleaning method and eco-friendly products. Do clients hiring cleaning services always prioritize environmental and surface care, or do they disregard the consequences?
Okay, the current clients, or the new generation people, are actually very well versed with the natural product-based chemicals. So they are always going towards finding for their household, appliances and applications, that it must be a natural-based chemical. So in this process, besides using biodegradable products or using eco-friendly products, they're also going towards water conservation methods of cleaning services.
That's very interesting, Mr. Palani. Okay, my next question for you is, considering the evolving cleaning standards prompted by the pandemic, how did the cleaning change and what factors needed to be taken into account when developing new strategies and safety protocols?
Okay, COVID-19 was actually very bad. It affected the whole industry, regardless cleaning services or not. So during this COVID-19, especially during the lockdown periods, right, a lot of things will have to be adapted by the cleaning company to move forward in their services. One of it will be sanitization actually. So sanitization was something new for cleaning sectors. So we have to adapt to this thing and we have to move forward with our clients.
Yes.
So sanitization was one of it, followed by an extensive use of personal protection equipment, PPE. For the PPE part, they have to be trained how to use the PPE to ensure that the product or the equipment is used correctly in order to enhance their services for their clients.
Very well said, Mr. Palani. Moving on to our next question. From your perspective as an expert from this industry, what are the 3 most critical priorities for establishing a strong foundation in the cleaning business?
Okay. For cleaning business, the main 3 priorities will be, number 1, you have to build a quality reputation among your clients. They have to know that you can render the service with the highest quality.
Yeah.
Number 2, you have to ensure that everybody knows you're out there. Assuming you're out there and you can provide the best, but nobody knows you, they will hire someone much lesser than you. And finally, they have to know that you have to be honest and you have to be transparent. You have to be honest to tell your staffs, to tell your clients, okay, that you see, it's like this, is this process, is this system.
Yeah.
And transparency also will have to be given to them so that they understand which furthest depth you're actually going for the cleaning services.
Yeah, so honesty is the key, right?
The best policy.
Okay, so moving on to my last question for you. What advice would you offer to newcomers launching a cleaning business, and what are the advantages and disadvantages associated with this endeavor?
Okay. My advice to them is very simple. Whichever business you do, especially cleaning services, right? It's like crossing a river. You have to think 100 times before you put your leg in the mud. Yeah. The moment you put your leg in the mud, there's nothing to think about. You have to just think how to go forward and cross the river. So, in terms of advantages and disadvantages, okay, advantages normally, you can see there's always a demand for cleaning services. So it has changed from I want to I need. So it has changed the landscape of cleaning services by itself. Now, another advantage will be it's scalable. It's definitely scalable. You see, you can diversify at the right moment of time to do other sectors of cleaning, facade cleaning, external cleaning, new cleaning, house cleaning, you see. And the final advantage will be, I think, it is proven that even during pandemic, you still don't shut down your business. On the disadvantage part, stress is the first thing, right? You have to entertain your clients and their feedbacks and complaints. And that is the only way you can move forward. The second part will be actually manpower. You have to ensure that you can treat your manpower correctly. See, managing people is harder than managing machines. Right? And other than that, I don't think there's much on disadvantages at all.
All right, Mr. Palani, thank you so much for your thoughts, and thank you for being here with us today and sharing all your insights. I'll see you in our upcoming segment. We are confident that the information we have shared in the discussion with the industry expert has enriched your understanding of this field. Whether you're a newcomer or already in this business, let's now explore the arena of digital e-commerce. Ready? Stay tuned for our upcoming segment. The cleaning industry has thrived in this digital age, uniting global markets and consumers through technology. And to talk to us further is our next guest, our esteemed digital mentor, Sasidharan Sridharan, famously known as Cikgu Sashi. He's here to guide us through the crucial steps of transitioning our businesses online. Hello, Cikgu Sashi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Please have a seat.
Thanks.
Cikgu Sashi, it's our pleasure to have you on another episode of Lifestyle E-Commerce. And as usual, I have a series of questions to ask you. So shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. So Cikgu Sashi, my first question to you is, how is the cleaning industry evolving and adapting to technological advancement, and how far digitalization can go in this industry?
Right. So basically, when it comes to cleaning services, earlier Informa, they were actually marketing their cleaning services by just putting up flyers, publishing in newspapers and all that. But nowadays, they are actually creating websites, even even apps
Yeah.
so that the clients can easily book their slots for cleanings and all that. And all this is it's been done just because of the digitalization come into place.
All right.
So when they are doing marketing online and also they're having an online platform, it can actually make the bookings of the cleaning services goes much more easier
Yeah.
and faster.
Yeah.
And they can also manage it efficiently with their all their teams and all that, right? To exactly go to the place and does the cleanings and get some feedbacks, So that actually makes their service more effective and more faster, and they can provide a very good service.
All right, Chigasashi. Moving on to my next question to you. How can a cleaning business effectively utilize social media platforms to engage with customers and enhance brand visibility in a competitive market?
So when they keep on posting the contents in their social medias, all right, more people will get engaged with them eventually. And not only that, they also must have a lot of reviews that they must take from their clients, and that they should also post it in the social medias. So this will attract new clients, and they will know their quality of their work and all that. So when it comes to the new players in the market, and if they don't have any social media platforms, they are not digitalizing their system, then for nowadays it's quite hard for them to penetrate into the market, because you must let people know about your service in a very effective way, in a very fast method. So if you are using the traditional method, then it's going to take a lot of time, it's going to consume a lot of money, right? Rather than that, you can just run your social media contents, run your digital marketing service to reach the clients faster, and you can get more more quality clients, and you can also produce more quality work.
All right, Chigasashi, thank you. So my next question to you is, what are the most effective ways to build a strong online presence for a cleaning business, especially for those new to digital marketing?
All right, like how I said before, right? Basically, when you already have your contents, everything ready in your social medias, and you are running it, right? You should also run your ads. Your paid advertisement is very important. So most of the people, they try to do a lot of organic advertisements, organic postings through groups and all that, through a localized residential groups and all that. So it will reach. But to be honest, that even let's say you have a large number of people in the organic groups, but for when you're posting something to reach them, it only takes less than 3%. So let's say you have around 100 packs, 100k residents inside the group, but then it will only reach less than 3,000 packs when you're posting something. But how many people are going to read it? How many people are going to go through it? It's a question mark, So rather than keep on doing organic posting, you should also enter into a paid marketing. So when it comes to paid marketing, you have to do some ads, you have to get some lead generations, or you can do some traffic marketing so that it will reach more clients in that particular location, where you can set the locations where you want it to be blasted and all that. So it will be easier for you to reach more new clients and get more new customers, and also get new business. So that's how you have to maintain it actually.
Yes, actually, I agree with your points as well. So my last question to you is, in Malaysia, in what ways can data analytics can be employed to measure the effectiveness of digital marketing campaigns and improve decision making for a cleaning business?
So they should actually find out which areas in Malaysia actually they are looking for the cleaning services, because not all the locations are prone to cleaning services.
Yes.
Some they say that I can do it myself, I don't need a cleaning services.
Amazing, Chigasashi. Thank you so much for answering all my questions patiently. I'm looking forward to chat with you again in our upcoming segment. See you then. We hope we covered topics that you have been curious about. Keep joining us and find out more. Coming up next is our Zero to Hero segment, where our guests will talk to us their journey towards their success story. We look forward to your presence. See you shortly. Over centuries, the cleaning industry has witnessed remarkable evolution. From manual labor using basic tools to sophisticated technology-driven methods, the sector has embraced innovation. Advancements in equipment, techniques, and eco-friendly practices have elevated standards ensuring cleaner environments and improved hygiene on a global scale. Come along as we travel into the world of cleaning, introducing a seasoned individual who have achieved remarkable success in his cleaning endeavors. Let's uncover his inspiring journey. Hello, Mr. Haris.
Hi.
I'm Kavita.
Hi, Kavita.
Thank you for joining us on Lifestyle E-Commerce.
Okay.
Mr. Haris, please tell us about your story.
Okay. So all started since 2014. For my history, I studied mechanical engineering. So after I graduated in 2014, I decided to pivot into the business industry. And I like this cleaning service industry because it's easier for me to understand and to do things in this business.
All right, what an interesting journey, Mr. Haris. Thank you for sharing your story with us. Now, let's proceed to our next segment. Our industry expert and digital mentor is waiting for us on the other side. Shall we go meet them now?
Okay, sure. Let's go.
Hello.
Hi.
Mr. Haris, it gave me a great pleasure to introduce you to our digital mentor, Cikgu Sashi,
Hi.
and our industry expert, Mr. Palani.
Hi.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
All right, shall we start our Zero to Hero segment now?
Sure.
Sure.
Okay, Cikgu Sashi, do you have any questions for our guest today?
Oh, yes. My first question was, how was your initial incorporation of digitalization in your traditional cleaning business? And let us know about the challenges.
Okay, the incorporation, in my opinion, it was not that difficult because I feel that traditional method is more difficult compared to digitalization. Because you see, in traditional method, we have to go house to house, give pamphlets, give flyers, it's all very time-taking process. So when we convert to digitalization, it's much easier, much smoother, and it's more efficient.
Yeah, so digitalization has made your work easier, right?
Correct. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for your answer, Mr. Haris. Let's go to Mr. Palani. Please ask your first question to Mr. Haris.
Hello, Charis. My first question to you will be, can you actually share your insight on building a reliable and skilled workforce while fostering a strong company culture which contributes to the overall success and reputation of your cleaning business?
Okay, in my opinion, there's two important factors in order to achieve this. First of all, okay, we need to have standard of procedures, SOPs, okay. In order to manage the manpowers, manage the management staff, manage the cleaners, we need to have an SOPs, a guideline, a proper guideline, okay, so that all our staff, they will have to follow a proper guideline so that if there's anything happen, there's a way to solve the issues. Secondly, we need to have a continuous training plan. Okay, for example, previously we did like 3 months once training. Okay, that proves that doesn't work for us. So we change the strategy. We make the training like once a month. Okay. After that, slowly we can see the result. It's getting better. Our cleaners are well equipped, well skilled. They learn fast. So, in my opinion, that will be the best option.
All right, Mr. Haris. Mr. Palani, do you have any more questions for him?
Yeah, my second question to you will be, with all the technology present, how do you effectively balance incorporating cutting-edge technology with maintaining a personal touch and quality service in your cleaning business?
I feel that maintaining personal touch, especially with all our customers, is very important. Okay, although we are using technology, okay, for example, when customer book our service, okay, we send our cleaners to clean their house, but after that, that's the most important thing, because customers is our best teacher in business, because we need our customer service, contact them, to talk with them so that we understand what is the problem. From the problem, we create a solution. We create a proper solution so that the customer will be happy. At the end of the day, customers is the one who pays for the service. So we need to take care of them.
Mr. Haris, do you have any more questions for him?
Yeah, my final question. what else can we do to enhance lead generation and convert them into long-term customers more effectively?
Right. Since you are very active in social media, I would suggest that you should actually run specific ads which is focusing on lead generations, where the targets of your clients, which is either corporates or residential areas, right? So when it comes to corporate, there's officers and all that. They need a lot of cleaning services and all that, and also the residential areas as well. So basically, where you are your target audience, your targeted area, you can actually target them through social media like Facebook and all that to run a specific lead generation ads, where the clients, once they view the ads, they can actually fill up the forms and everything, and they can submit it, and that deal will come to you. And from there on, once you get the leads, your customer service team can actually contact them and try to secure the deal. Because even though you got a lead generation, you got a contacts and everything, it doesn't mean that you still get the deals, You still need to have your team to contact them and try to explain about your business, try to, just show your profiles, show your websites, how good is your tech, how good is your team and all that, so that you can actually secure the deal. So once they got the deal, and you have to make sure that grab their reviews and try to ask them to give a good reviews, so that you can actually maintain your business online always. When there is a good reviews goes in, it seems like mouth-to-mouth marketing, okay, face-to-face marketing. So, but it just goes by a technology base. It's all digitalized. That's the power of digital marketing.
Very well said, Cikgu Sashi. Thank you so much for your answers. And with that, our Zero to Hero segment has come to an end, and this has been an incredible session. Thanks to all of you for being part of this engaging segment, and thanks for sharing all your insights with us today.
Right.
I believe everyone had a fulfilling experience.
Yeah,
definitely. Yeah.
Personally, I've learned quite a bit about cleaning industry, so thank you so much.
Thank you.
Welcome.
To conclude, digital platforms, social media and e-commerce revolutionize the cleaning industry by expanding outreach beyond local communities, fostering a cleaner and more connected global community. Remember that cleanliness is no longer a chore, it's a dynamic opportunity. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of lifestyle e-commerce. We have explored fascinating possibilities, trends, and definitely addressed issues. Stay tuned for more enriching episodes. I'm Kavita, signing off for Lifestyle E-Commerce.